on.
May as well rub it in a bit now. Yeah.
Look, it's soaked in. Off and all.
It's got to come off.
I like it like that. Bastard. Come on. I'll cut it off.
You went to college with Michelle that night and had you send wax.
Yeah, and I had the whole room in because I was making some bloody funny noises when they were pulling them off.
Can't, it needs to come off.
What's that gone like that for?
You didn't stick it down properly, Scott.
Oh.
Ah! Get off me, man!
Look, oh, look at what hair's on that.